This is it, day 10. Everything we have built so far now works together. Today our main goal is to turn the 9 separate systems we have made. What I mean by this is memory, RAG, quizzes, flashcards, the study plans into one real app, a full AI learning assistant you can use right now. Today is not a small update, it's not a tiny feature. This is the moment everything connects, finally. By the end of this video, our agent is no longer a script. It becomes this real tool with UI, memory, document reading, reasoning, and planning, and we are building it with Streamlit. If you don't know what that is, it's an open source Python framework for data scientists and AI machine learning engineers to deliver these dynamic data apps with only a few lines of code. You can actually build and deploy powerful data apps in minutes. We designed the app with a layout used by real AI copilots. On the left, there is the brain, on the right, the tools. Let me quickly run this to show you in real time how it looks like. Let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so on the left, as I said, it's chat agent. On the right, the quiz, flashcards, study planner. This separation matters because you can chat, upload files. From here, you can ask questions and at the same time generate quizzes, flashcards, or study plans. The brain, which is on the left side, can actually expand this too, is the site we host the most important piece, the agentic RAG chatbot. It's always visible, it's always running, no matter which tool you are using. Let me ask this chatbot who he is. Behind the scenes, it stores chat history, the retriever, your memory, all inside this streamlit.session state, which we used a lot to store all this information because we are turning this chatbot into a persistent agent. It doesn't forget during the session. And the second part is the knowledge base, where we upload, usually for our RAG pipelines. In the sidebar, we also added the RAG pipeline I was talking to you about earlier. You can browse and you can open any file you wish to. And this connects the document loader, the semantic chunker, hybrid retriever, and the result, the retriever, is available for everything: chat, quiz, flashcards, and the planner. One source of truth, one knowledge base, multiple tools. Remember day 8, the memory agent was using mock logic. Now it uses an actual model. For that, we are going with GPT-4o Mini. And the cool part is that it receives 2 types of context. We have the memory context, which are facts about the user, and we have the context, retrieve text from documents. So the final assistant uses both long-term memory and document memory. The second update we have had is regarding day 5, 6, and 7. You can see we have changed the quiz, flashcards, and study plans generators now also accept an optional retriever, because if the user uploaded documents, it uses RAG, but if not, fall back to the LLM's own knowledge. This makes the app more resilient. Nothing breaks in the meantime. The fourth part are the tools, our main dashboard, which has those 3 tabs we have talked about. The quiz, this tab called Generate Quiz from day 5. We display each question with Streamlit radio buttons. When you choose an answer, we show immediate feedback. This means the tool isn't static, it's interactive. Flashcards from day 6 are displayed as expanders. Front of the card is the title, back of the card appears when you click. It's simple, fast, mobile friendly. The third tab is the planner from day 7. Shows a full structured schedule, sessions, goals, duration, activities. This is the teacher brain of the assistant. And how everything works together in day 10. Every part of the system talks to the other. The chat agent uses the same retriever used by the tools. The tools use the same long-term memory used by the chat agent. Nothing is duplicating, nothing is inconsistent, everything is unified. At the end of day 10, we have something powerful. This is not a demo, not a toy, this is a real AI app you could ship. This project proves something important, that we can leverage LangChain plus LangGraph plus Reg plus memory plus Streamlit and build a full agentic app without huge backend systems. You now have a blueprint for your own copilots, and that's it, day 10, the end of the LangChain 2026 series. If you followed all 10 days, you can build real AI tools, not just chatbots. Thank you for being here. Hit like if you learned something, comment what you want next, and I will see you in the next big project. Thank you so much.